Make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Make sure y'all hit the thumbs up button for me right now. I'll wait for you. Hold on. We Hustle Daily. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. We at Copart. I'm waiting on my number to be called so I can go in here and check out some cars, man. I only really want to check out it's really like one car. This I think it's a S10. It's a truck. That's pretty much the only truck that I want to check out. It got 50,000 miles on it, so I'm just waiting on them to let me in here, man. But if you haven't already, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be updated when I upload a video. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Make sure y'all hit the thumbs up button for me right now. I'll wait for you. Hold on. All right, now that you hit the thumbs up button, greatly appreciate y'all, man. Make sure y'all follow your boy on Instagram, wehustledaily.co. That's my Instagram account. Make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com if y'all want to learn how to check out cars, pick out cars at the auction or private party sales. I'm showing y'all everything I know. I got 2 packages on there for y'all. One is a basic package. I'm just showing y'all how to pick out cars, because you might be trying to buy a car from a private party. I'm gonna make sure that they're not able to change, disconnect the battery to make it look like there wasn't no codes, or try to clear the light. You're gonna know what you're doing when you trying to go check out a car from a private party. That's the little basic academy. And then the full curriculum is everything I know, all my tips and tricks when it comes to picking out cars at the auction. I'm showing y'all every single thing I know when it comes to picking out whips at the auction. I got a lot of tips, I got a lot of tricks, and y'all, again, if y'all new to the channel, I don't like to put no money in my cars. Zero. No money. Zero. I'm not putting no money in my cars. All I want to do is buy and sell. So if y'all want to learn how to do that, I'm showing y'all how to do that. And if y'all don't want to learn how to do that, I'm giving y'all a skill. I'm showing y'all a skill on how to pick out cars. You can use this knowledge to, apply it to your own hustle, apply it to your own, business. You may not mind putting an alternator on or something like that. Me, I don't want to put nothing on. So y'all already know me. Hustle Nation, they already know me. But it's enough talking, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get in here and see if we can find this truck, and see if we can find some other cars, which probably not gonna happen because I don't really be seeing nothing on the list. This auction, this location, I don't really be seeing a whole lot. Like, I ain't seen a car here in a long time that I really wanted. But I catch y'all in a minute, man. Let's get ready. Let's get into it. All right, first up on my list, we got this Honda right here. Y'all remember this Honda? Looks similar to the one I sold, that I got from the other Copart. Let's check this joint out right here. Looks all right. All the tires look good. This one got low miles on it. It's clean, just like that last one I had too. 99,000 miles on it. We got something flying around in here. Interior look clean. Let's see if we got some power though. Nope. Y'all know me when it comes to that power. I gotta be able to crank it, but damn. We still got the SRT here. There go my truck down there. Let's see what else we can walk this way and see if we can find something else. Y'all who be liking to rebuild y'all cars, this is really like the place for y'all, for real. Me, I'll be only buying like little buy clear title cars and stuff like that, so yeah. This one got 355,000 miles on it. I don't think this is on the list though, not yet. But yeah, man, so it's a lot of stuff that y'all can be rebuild here, and it's probably a whole lot of salvage title cars. I mean, not salvage title, but rebuilt title cars that's in driving on the street that we don't all even know about. So when people be tripping about whether if you got a rebuilt title or you got a salvage title and all of that, like, there's so many cars that y'all be buying at Copart and be fixing them and reselling them, that there's gotta be cars that still, look at that truck. The truck is looking at me. Hopefully it start up, but there's gotta be cars that y'all, there's gotta be a whole lot of rebuilt title cars on the road for sure. But let's go over here to this truck though. All right, here's the truck. 50,000 miles on it. 1997. Now it is, damn it, I just ran into a freaking spider web. Now it is rusty. As you can see, the rust is all right there. Rusty all on the bed. Damn. It still works though. Looks all right. Paint fading. But what you expect for like a 1997, you know? But it do got 50,000 miles on it. So that's new. Look at the little baby seat. Smells a little funny in here, but it looks like it does have power, which is also a good thing. Let's crank this boy up. I think it's gonna go ahead and crank up. Y'all see it right there, 97 with 50,000 miles. Let's see, crank up for your boy. Okay, you're gonna grab that key. And it does crank right up. What do y'all think? You think we might have found one today or what? Gonna release the brake. Gonna pop the hood. See what we looking like up under here. I don't know what motor's under here. 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder. Looks like your 6-cylinder. Yep. 6-cylinder Vortex. That looks good. Looks like a new oil AC. What's that thing called? Condenser? Yeah. That little silver thing right there. But man, right off the back, man, it looks good. 70,000 miles. You know, it don't got the looks, but it got the miles. Shoot, AC should work in everything in this boy. Should. They still got this truck here, this Toyota. But man, I like it though. It's rusty, but I don't know. Let's start moving the steering wheel around and all of that. That noise is kind of annoying, but I can't stop that right now. I'm so sorry, guys. Well, I can if I close the door. Look, we got a full tank of gas in this drink. I don't think nothing's gonna be wrong with this car right here with 50K. I'm gonna close this door. I know y'all probably don't want to hear that. Nothing's in here. Got the baby seat. This might be something like, let me see if the AC works. Hold on. I ain't hear nothing. Don't got the knob. Look at that. 50K, y'all. Y'all see it, man. I don't know if it's gonna go high or not, but I know that AC is not working. They got the new compressor on, but that joint do not work. Radio work? Yep, radio does work. I don't know how to switch it back from AC to DC, but oh, here we go. I guess that don't matter right now anyway. Yeah, it works though. So y'all see it. Let me put it back in drive one more time. I just want to make sure. Feels solid. Definitely feels solid. Yeah, man. So like I said, y'all, I really wanted to come to the car, come here just really for this car right here. I'm gonna look at some other cars after I'm done, but I'm sorry, it's getting kind of hot in here. But I'm gonna look at some other cars when I'm done. But as of right now, let me go ahead and check this one out, do my full whdacademy.com run through, and I'll catch you guys in a minute. So make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com. All right, and that truck seems pretty good. Y'all let me know in the comments below. I'm not done checking it out, but y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think something like that to go for with the 50,000 miles. Now we got another truck right here. We got a Toyota Tacoma, 1996. This one is. It don't got the miles on the window for some reason. Yeah, that bed works as well. And the door is kind of open, so. Now this one has a smell for real. And it don't have no power, so. What is that there? Like a little seat. Yeah, so I can't really do nothing with this if it's not cranking up. So this looks pretty clean. Nissan Sentra. And I just won a car too from another auction. I'm not sure if y'all already got that video or not. Sometimes I'll be releasing my videos in a certain order. But I did win a car today. 2011 with 200,000 miles already. Ooh, y'all hear that motor tapping? Turn all this in. Damn. The motor got a little tap to it. Ouch. Damn. And that's what I won today too, a Nissan. Not one of these though. But hopefully I can win that freaking truck over there too. I like that truck. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Got this right here. What is this? Got a spider web. I see that. It's a newer truck right here. Yeah, 2020. Some type of Hyundai Santa Fe. I kind of like the interior in here. Let's see if I can get the door open. Yeah, that's kind of cool. It's cloth, but I don't know. I just like that this tan and brown. It's got a lot of colors: tan, brown, black. But it looks decent. I like this in the what's that called? Speakers. 6,000 miles on this. So yeah. Oh, look at the little pouch. Oh, I think that's for if like you drop something, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, I'm trying to see it though. Let's see if the new Santa Fe will crank up 2020. Nope. Gauges look alright. Looks alright. Looks alright. The Hyundais, all they smell the same in the inside for some reason. But yeah, man, I'm just letting that truck. Gotta still continue checking out that truck. But other than that, let's see if we can find something else out here, because not looking too good. We got a Mercedes right here. Y'all might want to check this joint out. This Mercedes, I don't know what they got going on right here. Came off a rim or something. But yeah, man, this is a nice little white right here. C250 coupe. 100,000 miles on it, 102,000 miles. Got that brown and that black. Let's see if this joint crank up. Nope, don't crank up. Double roof too, which is cool. Brown and tan interior. Yeah. So like this would be a good little car for somebody to rebuild, you know what I mean? Like it's not, the damage is not too bad. It's just, you know, this is just, you know, I'm not the body work man. I like how they did the roof too, all black on the Mercedes. But that's enough talking, man. Let me finish messing with this truck and we gonna move to the next car. Catch y'all in a minute. Here go that Dodge 392. I know I showed y'all this in a previous video. This joint is still here with that Alcantara with that red, super nice. I know I showed y'all this before, but I just want to show y'all again. I don't think it got no power though. It's stinking here though. That's the only thing. Got the SRT on the steering wheel, the sunroof. I like the seats. Some seats is hard. Just gotta love color interior. Yeah. Feels good. I like it. And y'all see it. 392. Tinted windows. It got the stripe. I don't know if y'all remember the stripe. 37,000 miles on it. I think I tried to tell y'all the year, but it was messed up. 2015. Yeah, it don't got no power though. Paddle shifters, everything. But y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. This one don't got the red gauges. I think that's for the Hellcat. But yeah, man, I just know some of y'all like to look at the Chargers, so I just like to always show y'all these joints. But let's keep it on moving and grooving. All right, I remember I was trying to come check this one out last week, but I did not make it to check this car out. Let's see if it got power. Nope, it don't got no power anyway, so I didn't waste no time. But it's another Power Wagon. Y'all remember the Power Wagon I sold? This a 99 though, but this one, the condition of it was good. It don't got no power right now, but 155 on the miles. Yeah, this one was in very good condition, but can't do nothing with it if you don't crank up, you know? I can't do nothing with it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got the new Sierra. I think this is a 2018 GMC Sierra. You can see the damage right there. Oh, that lets down for your boy. Got power in this joint. Did I show y'all this truck already last time? Y'all see the damage on it? Oh, I'm tripping. Damn, I didn't know it was this bad. Brand new truck. I like how that comes down. Got the the brown floor. Brown and tan interior. Still smell good in here and everything. Yeah, buddy. It's a Z71 4x4 too. Ugh. See if this joint crank up. Cranks right up. 5,000 miles on it. And ain't got no gas in that joint though. I always do that thinking that this thing is gonna go up. But yeah, man, y'all see it, big old beefy center console. I like this. Like, I really like this, how they that goes up and down, huh? Yeah, but I like this, how they do this park assistant. I don't know, I just like this. It makes it feel like you in a truck feel. We got the heated and cooled seats, look like, which is also cool. Sunroof, everything. And yeah, man, but it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. I'm about to go pick up my car that I won. I do like the truck with the 50,000 miles, so we'll see what it go for, man. But man, shout out to y'all. Appreciate every single one of y'all, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Now, if you want to be updated when your boy upload a video, I'm always uploading videos. So make sure y'all check out the hit the notification bell. I greatly appreciate every single one of y'all, man. Shouts out to y'all. Shout out to Copart. Make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com if y'all want to learn how to check out cars and pick out cars from the auction. I'm gonna keep telling y'all, so make sure y'all check out wehustledaily.com. Everything that all the tips and tricks that I use to look at that truck. Now, of course, at Copart you can't drive the car, but I think that truck is a good go. You know what I mean? And it's a reason. It's something I know about the truck, you know, that's ensuring me that I'm pretty sure that it's a good truck. So if y'all want to learn all my tips and tricks, make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com. I'm gonna show y'all, you know, because I don't plan on putting no money in that truck when I buy it, like zero. I'm not gonna put no money in that truck. I'm just gonna buy it and flip it. You know what I mean? Just like I plan on doing with the car that I plan on picking up, that I'm going to pick up today. But yeah, man, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram too if y'all haven't already. wehustledaily.co. And yeah, I can't express it enough, man. Make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray. I found one truck today. I'm gone. Peace.